Assalamu alaikum. Today let's do beef shawarma. Come and join me. I have here thinly slices of beef top round. Like these slices, guys. We put a generous amount of olive oil, lemon juice, yogurt, and pour the spices: garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, black pepper, and cardamom. We mix it well. We put this to the oven, high broil for half an hour. Now this is after broiling, guys. Now for our plating, some save juice to our meat. Put a generous amount of meat, some sliced tomatoes, onion, parsley, sumac mixture, and fold. Bismillah, best part.